the overhand weave, facing the right in the T-stance. And now what I want you to do is turn left 180 degrees, coming into underhand. And then we're gonna turn to the right 90 degrees up into pinwheel. So you're in the clockwise pinwheel. Then we're gonna come down on the right and cross your left arm over the top to go into the overhand weave on the right. Now we're gonna open it up into circles. And then sweep back, turn left, come out underhand. Step your right foot forward. Now we're gonna sweep over, you sweep away from me, so towards the back of the room. Then step your right foot forward again. We're gonna repeat that, sweep back, step right, sweep over away from me, step right again, sweep back, now don't step, sweep over, sweep back again, and sweep up into pinwheel. And you can go into together time if you prefer, then make it split time. Then back to together time. Then we're gonna come down on the right and overhand. We'll do that again. Sweep back. Come up into together time pinwheel, back to front, back to front, back to front, and just come down on the right. Sweep back. Sweep up into together time pinwheel again. And now if you can, split the time, come into split time pinwheel. And then come down on the right and overhand. And then overhand weave. And then turn left to underhand weave. Turn right to overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave. Turn right to overhand weave. Open it up. Now I want you to just keep your left poi spinning and stall your right poi. If you can't stall, just stop it and then switch directions so that your right poi comes up in underhand. Okay, now take your right poi, flip it to the front into overhand butterfly. And then I think you can do this where you come up and over the top, up and over the top, up and over the top. And then I'll face you for this part. So you're here at overhand butterfly, up and over the top, up and over the top, over the top. Oh, good, nice. Back to front and back to front. That looks great. Back to front, back to front. Come down into overhand butterfly. Now make it split time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back to same time. And then let's make it big and big again and big again and up over the top. And we'll go big, full extension. I don't know if you have space, but you can go all the way. Yes. And now split time, split time, split time, split time. And now split time, big, 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 and back to small, 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 small. And then we'll go big, 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 back to small, 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 small. Same time, same time. Up and over, up and over, up and over, back down. Now we're gonna double stall out to the side and come into underhand butterfly. And split time, split time, split time, split time. And then back to same time. And can you go up and over in this direction? Up and over, and then back down. And now let's go big and back down. Oh, don't do that. And big and back down. And big and back down. Split time, split time, split time, split time. Split time big, split time big, split time big. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Back to small. Same time. Up and over, 1 and 2 and 3 times. Now we're gonna go big, back down, come up over the top, drop stall. Okay, so we'll pretend I didn't turn around. And now I want you to go into a clockwise corkscrew. And then we're gonna turn to the right with it while you're doing it, nice and slow. And now just slow. Really, 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 really slow. So the poi is gonna have a very, very droopy feel to it. And now you're facing front again. And while you're doing this, bring it into together time. Together time. So they both come down, both go up. Both come down, both go up. Both come down, both go up. Now bring them down, tap on the right hip, and then go to the left. So counterclockwise. Both up, both down, both up, both down, both up, both down, and then tap on the left, and both up, both down, both up, both down, both up, both down. Bring it down and tap on the right. Both up, both down, both up, both down, both up, both down. Come down and tap on the left. Okay, so I'll mirror you. So you tapped here and up and down and up and down and up and down. And now come down and tap on the left. Sorry, the right, your right. And then up and down and up and down and up and down. And come down and tap on your left. And up and down and up and down and up and down. And now when you're tapping, tap with just the tip on your hip. So it's just the tip of the poi on your hip. Then we're coming back up and down, up and down, up and down. And now we're gonna tap on the left side, just the tip on your hip, up and tap on the right side, up and tap on your left, up and tap on your right, up and tap on your left, up and tap on your right, up and tap on your left, and up and tap on your right. Now we're gonna do something cool. As we come up, I want you to turn all the way around and tap. And then we're gonna come up, turn all the way around and tap. Up and turn all the way around and tap. Up and turn all the way around and tap. Turn 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 and tap. And now come up into clockwise. Plane shifted up into the pinwheel. So it'll be together time pinwheel. Come down on the right, come into overhand weave on the right. Right foot is forward. Turn to the left to underhand. Turn to the right to overhand. Now we're gonna turn to the left to underhand. Step your right foot forward, and then going away from me, turn into overhand on the back side of the room. So you're here, you're pivoting, you're here, you're pivoting. So it's the same thing we did when we, footwork wise, when we did this, and then up and over this. Now you're just gonna do it with the weave. So you're in an overhand weave. You're gonna turn left to underhand weave, step your right foot forward, and then come from underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, and then step your right foot forward again. Let's do it again. We're gonna turn left to underhand weave, step your right foot forward, turn left to overhand weave, open it up, sweep back, sweep over, sweep back, sweep over, sweep back. Okay, now this time, when you sweep over, open your legs and stall between your legs so that you come out underhand here. Now we're gonna sweep over to the left and then sweep back. Sweep over, sweep back, sweep over. Now overhand weave on the left side and turn right to underhand weave. And turn left to overhand weave. Turn right to underhand weave. Turn left to overhand weave. Open it up. Stall your left poi, keep your right one spinning. If you can't stall, stop it. Chill out, wait for it, and then bring your left poi into the front, into the overhand butterfly. Up and over 1 and 2 and 3. Now make it big, back to the butterfly, and then angel 3 more times. 1, 2, 3, and big, back to butterfly. Now split time, split time, split time, split time, split time. Big, 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 big. 5, 6, 7, 8, back to small, and same time. And now we're gonna take the right poi, flip it out. I don't know if you remember that. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Stall your right poi. And we're both gonna be an overhand now on the right hand side. Sweep back, sweep up and over, sweep back, and chase the sun. Where you do the low turn, to the high turn, to the low turn, to the high turn, to the low turn, to the high turn. Now open your legs, stall, sweep over the top, come down and overhand on the left, sweep back, sweep up and over, sweep back, sweep up and over, and then overhand weave on the left, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, and then come up into the counterclockwise pinwheel, and